Dusty Trails 4x4 Reaper Challenge. This is actually day 38. So, you know, making some progress. It's good. It's been a bit toasty, so we've had to make some, you know, adjustments. But I'm going to do my 100+ wax with the round stick, so that people aren't thinking, oh, you never do it with a round stick. Well, here I am. Single sword and two-handed. I think that was around 150. Kind of lost track. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't, tell me why. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.